Hey everyone, the Poverty Princess here with a cute, quick, simple DIY, which is Jay Munee inspired. So let me show you what it is and how to do it. You're going to need a orange foam pumpkin from Dollar Tree, a blade, and some assorted fall flowers. Now these are mini mums, which I chose. I also chose some berries, Gerbera daisies, and some fall maple leaves. They have little berries on top. I also bought some gold poinsettias, but I didn't use the gold poinsettias. I used it just two little accent pieces from these for this little decorative pumpkin. So what you're going to do is where the top of the pumpkin is, there's a little outline, and you take your blade and you cut around that. You remove it, shake out in the excess styrofoam inside. Next you will take a gold tone spray paint. I used rose gold, and give it a light dusting of spray paint, and when it is dry you simply decide how you're going to arrange your flowers in the pumpkin. You may have to snip off some of the ends with the wire cutter, and you're probably still going to have to bend some of them to fit in. Now the little accents I use from the poinsettia are these little gold berries, and over here hiding is a cute little gold pine cone. And there you have it, a cute, quick, simple DIY, which is Jay Munee inspired. And if you like Bargain Bethany, you will absolutely adore Jay Munee. She does the most amazing, creative videos around, a lot of wonderful DIYs. So check her out and subscribe. If you like this video, please subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching, and blessed be.